if you're moving your Logitech MX Master mouse, but your cursor is stuck, even though you still can right click or left click, then it means your thumb button is stuck and it's preventing your cursor from moving. So to fix it, you would need to open your mouse. Turn the back of your mouse. First, turn off your mouse by pushing the toggle in here downwards so that it would show red. At the top of the mouse, you could see two tiny screws, and it's a star type called T5. So you will need to buy a precision T5 screwdriver and then align it properly and then turn it in the anti-clockwise direction until the screw is completely out. Unscrew the second screw in the similar way. Now, there are 4 more hidden screws under these 2 covers. If you have got long nails, you could try to peel off using your nails, or you could use a tool with a sharp edge. Use your hand to peel off this cover, and then you could see 2 screws. In a similar way, peel off the other side. Here I did a bit of a mistake. I peeled off 1 layer and there were no screws, because underneath that layer there was another layer that I was supposed to remove instead. So don't repeat my mistake, and if the first layer comes off, leave it and start peeling off the second layer without removing the first layer, so that when you put it back, it will fit easier. Now that we have revealed all the 4 screws, you would need to use PH0 type screwdriver and once again unscrew all these 4 screws by turning in the anti-clockwise direction. Now hold the bottom of the mouse and gently pull up the top. Just be careful not to pull it away too far, as the top and the bottom of the mouse are connected using a flat wire. And now locate the thumb button, and beneath it you could see a chip with 2 black screws holding the chip to the mouse. Now use the PH0 type screwdriver and loosen these 2 screws just a bit. Test the thumb button mechanism and make sure it is moving. Align the top and bottom of the mouse together and push them towards each other until you hear the clicks, and make sure it is secured. Turn back on the mouse by pulling back up the toggle, and now test the mouse and make sure your cursor has started moving again and your thumb button is also working. Again, turn off your mouse. Now put back in the screws. First the PH0 screws and tighten them by turning the screwdriver in the clockwise direction. Put back on all the 4 screws. Now it's time to put on the covers, and they can only fit in one direction. Make sure they are properly sticking to the bottom of the mouse. Here, if you would look carefully, you could see the mistake, and I was supposed to put the wide side of the cover at the bottom. So I was supposed to remove the cover again and fit it from the correct side. So make sure not to repeat my mistake. Also, don't forget to put back on the 2 tiny T5 screws. Turn back on the mouse. And now it should be working perfectly again. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.